Hello, sir. Welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
How was the weather in Delhi, sir?
Yes, sir. Fine. Sir, for past 4 months you didn't place any order. There are new stocks available in our company, so please place this order, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Sure. Devi, please check his company products, and if there are any products in low quantity, please place him order.
Okay, sure. I will place the orders. Okay, sir. Thank you. I will go back Delhi and I will send your materials immediately. Okay, sir. See you at the next arrival. Mom and Dad, you're always concerned in your business plans. Please relax this day. You know what is the day today? It's Parents' Day. Sorry, my child. There is so much of workloads here, so I forgot what is the day today. No problem, Dad. I had a surprise gift for you both. Happy Parents' Day. Thank you, my child. Thank you, dear. Parental love is forgiving, selfless, and unconditional. Happy Parents' Day to all the dear parents.